You don't need new brakes. You got rust in your rotors.
Welcome back. I told my sister-in-law that, and she said that she never heard of it. She's got an '09 CRV, and she's hearing grinding from the front of the car, and I replaced the brakes not that long ago on it, so let's see what's wrong. Every time you turn, you can hear it. Got the front tires off the ground. Let's see if we can hear the noise. Right there, here. I heard it on both sides of the car, but the right side is doing it right now. Let's take a peek at the other side. And this wheel's off, obviously. And look at the thickness of the brake pads. They are like new. What we are hearing is rust. If a mechanic's trying to sell you a brake job, you don't need one. You just need to clean out some rust. The noise is coming from the rust along this edge right here that's rubbing on the backing plate, the dust shield. And also on the inner part, I don't know if you could see it, but the inner side there too, there's rust that's built up there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna scrape that rust off, and we're not even going to pull anything apart. I'll show you how I usually do this, because I've seen this quite often living in the Northeast. Everything sits around, rusts, starts to make funny noises. So we're gonna scrape it off. Got a large pry bar, and I got a beat up old screwdriver that has part of the tip busted off on it. We are going to hold this right there so it's digging into the rust, and we're going to turn the rotor with our little pry bar there and basically scrape off everything around that outside perimeter that's in here, and then we'll reach in and also do it on the inside down in there. This is going to be noisy. I'll try to turn the volume down not to bother your ears. You can see the rust just popping off. Get a sharper edge over here. How's that looking? I'll go a couple more times around. Change my position a little bit here. Now we're going to try to get the one down on the bottom. Do we hear the noise anymore? Say no. That's good. We're going to blow all this out, and we might even bend the backing plate just back a little bit further. It's really close there. We bent that back out a little bit more, so it's a little bit more of a gap in there. And this should take care of our noise. You see the edge of that? All the rust was knocked off. I don't hear anything, but the only way to know for sure is to take it for a ride. Let's go for a spin. Silence.
There, all gone. You don't need new brakes. You got rust in your rotors. If this video helped you, do me a favor, like, subscribe.
And thank you for watching. My assistant is hard at work. Checking everything out over there? Yeah? Tired, taking a nap? It's a busy day for you today, huh?